Today I show you how you can watch YouTube videos and avoid the clickbait thumbnails or the titles where they promise you something in the thumbnail but then they don't show it at all, or they under-deliver their promises. So it's always good for a YouTube channel to show you a thumbnail and title, video title that is real in the video, what's inside the video, I believe. And I really don't like it when I click on something and then it's something not related, or it's just something exaggerated and it doesn't make sense. So for this, to be able to get an idea of a video of what it's about quickly before even clicking the thumbnail, you have an AI generated summary that is next to the video thumbnail, and you can expand and read it. It's a short description of the whole video about what it is about. So like this, you can avoid clickbait titles and thumbnails where they promise you something but they don't really deliver it, or it's something completely different. So to do this, you open the YouTube app. I'll show you how to do this. You go to the YouTube app and you search for the thing you're looking for. For now, I'm searching for Sony Xperia 1.5 Android 15. I'm interested in the Android 15 update. This is just a test. So I tap on the search and I have this video here. This is my video actually. So you can even hear the sound. This means Android 15. So this is delivering now the update for. You can mute the sound. You can enable the closed captions here. So you can see this is before even clicking on the video, before you click. But there is this optional. What's interesting now, they added this option under the video before you click on the thumbnail. There is a summary. And that's the summary of the video. So this video documents the process of updating a Sony Xperia 1 Mark V to Android 15. The creator, I don't think you can copy this. The creator shows the update notification, download, installation, and restart process, highlighting the changes in the clock font. I was really impressed with the clock font. Pull down menu and search bar. They also check the camera app versions and confirm the phone functionality after the update. This is exactly what that video is about, so I believe this is really useful. So let's see the video from Sony Xperia.
I'd like to welcome you back to a new.
That's the video from the Sony, the official Sony video, and it was 1 month ago when they were talking about the update. But here you have the chapters. You can see the chapters in the video. My video doesn't have chapters, but the AI summary really helped with that. So this is another YouTuber, LL Tech View. So he also makes videos with the phones.
New Android 15 version comes also with the November security patches, so very, very new. What has changed there in terms of UI and
So he's doing reviews for phones, and it's the Sony Xperia 1.6. So it's not very close to the query I was searching for. I was searching for 1.5. But for his video, it's also showing an AI summary here. And the video explores the new Android 15 update for Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI, focusing on the much anticipated Pro Video feature. There is this new feature in the Xperia 1 Mark VI where the Pro Photo Camera app and the Video Pro app are meshed together, so that become one app. The update includes manual controls for ISO, aperture, shutter speed, lens controls, just like the Video Pro, I guess, or maybe no, maybe it's more things. The video also highlights the lack of microphone volume control, which is a significant omission for so you don't have the manual. Anyway, generated video summary. It really works. It gives you an idea of the video. Like this, you know if the video you're going to watch is what you're looking for. Even if it's not clickbait, it might be something different than what you're hoping to watch. And especially if it's a 20-minute video or a half-hour video, you want to know what it's about in a summary before watching it. Thanks for watching. I hope there is a video summary about this video and you will see under it what this video is about, and hopefully it's accurate. For now, this seems to be pretty accurate. I believe how this works, the Google, there is also the transcript version for each video, so that's text that can be used by the AI to make a summary. So it's basically one long string of text, sentences, words that are being said, and make a sense of it if it's what it's about, and then one paragraph here for you to understand what it's about. Thanks for watching.